what's going on, everybody? It is David here with Play Creatively, and man, I am pumped about today's lesson because we are looking at 4 chords. Yes, only 4 chords that are going to help you play literally hundreds of worship songs. If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you are probably a beginner and you're looking for the fastest way to get right into playing the piano for church. So check out these 4 chords and I believe they will help you grow in your piano playing journey. All right, enough of this YouTube intro stuff. Let's get right to the lesson. Here are the 4 chords that you're going to need to play literally hundreds of worship songs. We're going to start off with A minor. And the notes for this are A, C, and E. And then in my left hand, you see me playing an A and E. However, you can just play A with your pinky, all right? And then the second chord is an F with an F, A, and C. And in my left hand, I'm playing F and C. The third chord is going to be a C major chord, which is C, C, E, and G. And then in my left hand, I have a C and G, or you can just play C. And then the final 4th chord is G. And the notes are G, B, and D, okay? And in my left hand, I'm playing G and D, or you can just play G, all right? Now, here are some songs that you can play with literally those 4 chords. All right, let's get to it. So we have Our God is Greater. Our God is greater. Our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. All right, really simple. And then we have, there'll be another in the fire, standing next to me. There'll be another in the water, holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminding? All right, we got What a Beautiful Name. You have no rival, and you have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. And yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. All right, and then we got Oceans. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Oh my gosh, I can't remember how to sing it. We walk upon the water wherever you would call me. Take me deeper where my... Oh my gosh, you're here with my horrible singing. Good wonder if my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the water wherever you would call me. All right, I kind of got my act together, all right? But as you can see, these 4 worship songs will help you play, these 4 worship songs. These 4 chords can help you play literally hundreds of worship songs. And we are just playing the same chords within the same order. Now, there's a whole lot of music theory behind all of this, but like I said, this video is for those who are almost absolute beginners and they just want to go ahead and dive right into playing the piano. Now, if you would like a step-by-step process to help you in your piano playing journey, where you would like to learn a whole lot more complicated things, you want to be able to play more creatively, I would suggest that you go to play-creatively.com, where you can find courses, charts, piano workshops, and other resources that will help you grow in your piano playing journey. So instead of playing the song like this, you you might play those same 4 chords like this. All right, or you may end up doing things like adding passing chords to it, right? So just some different ideas that you will learn at play-creatively.com. Also, like I said, this will help you play hundreds of worship songs. So you might be saying, man, you just showed me 4. Well, this is what you do to go and learn more. Go to a website called worshiptogether.com and go to the songs section. Click on any one of the songs that they have there. Scroll down to the song and you will find a section that says in the key of blank. Change that to in the key of C and you will literally have the chords you need to play tons of songs on their website. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together.